Drew. Today, we're unboxing the HomePod. What? Are we on? Oh, darn it. Let's just get right to it. Everyone knows what this thing is. Maybe, maybe not. If you don't know, it's Apple's Bluetooth speaker. Let's get to the best part. The best part is always taking the plastic off. It's just that simple. Are we on? Oh, darn it. It's my brother. I'll use him as a table for this one. I don't think he realizes how heavy the speaker really is. Lay flat, buddy. Lay flat. Oh, yeah. Alright, here we go. Oh, totally. The squeak. There it is. The speaker. We'll go ahead and just pull this plastic off too. Of course, you know there's going to be some case candy. It's like a finger. Let me just set this here. Oh, that's beautiful. HomePod sticker. Stuff you never read. And instructions. That's helpful. Not that I'll read them. You're going to suffocate on this box soon, man. Alright, that's the unboxing of the Space Gray Apple HomePod.